Welcome to Amsterdam. I remain Mr. Watson. Today I want to talk on how to build a business that doesn't depend on Google message. You see, before now, most businesses on Google, millions of webmasters and web developers recently got out there when the Google search for video how to. When you search, best 10 authority website, blog, video, ETLs, and what the webmasters, what the web owners are, huge organic high quality traffic coming from Google. Today we are those traffic are now coming in drop. Among most of our complete this project we represent them on Google. Yes, the world is a Google. 2 years ago, with the introduction of AI probably is no longer working. So this is the reason I'm writing to you. Please pay attention. You don't need to depend 100% on Google anymore. You don't need to do. What should you do? You should build your own source of traffic. So when you head to Africachoice.com, live here at Africachoice.com, I have written a high quality guide titled How to Build a Business That Doesn't Depend on Google First Page. You need to diversify your traffic source. Among such strategy mediums, you need to start now to build email. So go to Africachoice.com. When you head to Africachoice.com, use the keyword how to build a business that doesn't depend on Google. You can copy the keyword or type it. Okay? Just go to the search here, type it. Whether you're visiting from desktop or you're visiting from mobile, just type how to build a business that doesn't depend on Google Facebook. And guess what? We did not just write a guide, we also provide you the resources that can help you build one of the most business you could ever have, targeting any country of your choice. So right here, we have a high quality global email lead. We have email lead for European countries, we have for Asians, we have for American, we have for Africa. You need to start building email lead. Apart from that, you need to divide your source of traffic across social media, adding a call to action, asking your social media subscribers, followers, readers to do what? To join your email list. Email list is the only audience you own. Anything can happen even across a social profile, social channel, social outlet. But when something happens to your email list, you can easily move your email server to another server and business continue. And when something happens to Google, mind you, Google still remains one of the best sources of traffic, but it has dropped drastically. As you can see, how to make money online. The first result is Google overview. And what Google is trying to do here is to keep traffic within Google, so they are not sending most traffic to webmasters, to websites, to blog. And that is the problem most businesses, online businesses are facing. The reason why most are shut and that reason why we ourselves has also put 909.com on hold while we are building Africachoice in order to diversify our traffic source. Thank you so much. And my humble self, Mr. Watson. Head to Africachoice.com and you can see the article. We have other resources for you live at Africachoice.com marketplace. Okay, you can also choose to sign up to Africachoice